5 Amazing Facts about Somnath Temple. 1. Ancient Origins. The Somnath Temple in Gujarat, India, is believed to be one of the oldest and most sacred pilgrimage sites in the country, with references dating back to the Rigveda. 2. Architectural Marvel. The temple showcases exquisite architectural brilliance, blending Chalukya, Rajput, and Islamic influences, and is renowned for its impressive dome and ornate carvings. 3. Destroyed and rebuilt. The Somnath Temple has witnessed a tumultuous history, being destroyed and rebuilt several times, most of the time by Mahmud of Ghazni in the 11th century and later reconstructed by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel after India's independence. 4. Celestial Connection. The temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva and holds great religious significance as one of the 12 Jyotirlingas, believed to be self-manifested forms of Lord Shiva. 5. Devotional Magnet. With millions of devotees flocking to its premises each year, the Somnath Temple stands as a symbol of devotion and spirituality, offering a sacred space for seekers of divine blessings and solace. Subscribe for more.